students, I am Sherlyn from Department of English. I hope you all like English very much because English is a language which has become a global language we have to learn and we have to understand in our day-to-day life. So to begin with, I thought today I can teach you about a short story. I hope everybody will understand the short story very easily. Everyone likes to read a short story. So I took a short story written by Rabindranath Tagore. So we'll see Rabindranath Tagore's short story. Rabindranath Tagore has written many stories. He is a poet. Actually, he wrote many poems which was very amazing. Especially his poem Gitanjali is a very interesting poem. It is a Bengali poem and it was translated to English, and Rabindranath Tagore has won Nobel Prize in Literature for this Gitanjali. Such an eminent personality he is. And today we are going to see one of his short stories. I have taken the short story title The Postmaster. It is one of the famous story. I hope you have read this story. So this story is about a postmaster. There are only two characters in the story. I write the character, the main character is the postmaster, and the other character is Ratan. She is a servant girl. And in this story, the writer Rabindranath Tagore, he talks about many issues like alienation, human relationships, human sufferings, longingness, etc. Because Rabindranath Tagore's lot of his works are connected to human issues and human values, and especially this themes like alienation, human companionship and separation becomes a major theme for the story The Postmaster. As I said earlier, this postmaster and Ratan are the only characters in this particular story. So now we will go to the story. So the story starts like this postmaster was starting his journey from his hometown Calcutta, and he comes to a place called Ullapur. Ullapur is a village, and this village is very special because there is no amenities in the village. It was a very poor village without any facilities, and this postmaster is given a place where nothing is there. Only this house is surrounded by marsh vegetation where he finds very lonely and insecure. And at this particular time, he craves for his family. So that connects to the main theme, that is alienation. So he always feels for his family. He feels very bad about his loneliness, and he thinks about his past, and he cherishes his moments with his family, with his parents and with his siblings, etc. And when you talk about this girl, Ratan, she is an amazing girl. She is a servant girl, and she too was alienated. She is an orphan actually, and she was given to this postmaster for some mental support. So she cooks food and she does what are the work the postmaster asks her to do. So likewise she was helping him a lot. And later what happens, no? One day this postmaster was very much agitated about his family, thinking about his family and feeling so much for that. And he shares his problems with this girl. And this Ratan girl also, she also talks about her family. She forgets everything. Every relationship falls bits and pieces, like imagination. No? She forgets her father, she forgets her brother, but everybody comes and goes like bits and pieces. And she also talks about her family. Both share their experiences, and startedly the relationship started to grow day by day. And what happened? One fine day, the postmaster fell sick. And this poor Ratan girl was waiting for the call of the postmaster. She was waiting, why this man is not calling? And suddenly she thought, something is wrong with the postmaster. And she thought, what is it? And she goes inside and saw the postmaster. He was feeling ill. He was in bed. He cannot take even one step. So she asked, what is the problem? So the postmaster says, like, he is suffering a lot. And this is the main stage where this Rattan girl, she transforms herself like a mother. Okay? So, everybody knows that our mother is the only person who can take care on us, who can consider us, who can help us in all the needs. So now, this girl transforms herself as a mother and started to treat the postmaster. How? She takes care with a lot of care and support to this postmaster. She gives food, she gives porridge, she treats him like very carefully, and he cares like a baby, like a son. And the postmaster was very much happy that this girl is carrying him so much. And he slowly started to recover. After a few days, what this postmaster thought, he was very much agitated. Somehow he wanted to come out of this place. So he was planning to go out. He was planning to move again back to this Calcutta. And now he plans that he can ask for a transfer to again go to Calcutta, and he applies for a transfer. But what happens? His transfer was rejected. And again he sent one more time. Okay, so he tried and tried, but he couldn't. But later what happened? He resigned. He thought resignation is the only possible way to come out of this situation. Now he resigns his post and he plans to go to his own place, Calcutta. And now he talks with his servant girl, Rattan. He tells her that this is the time I am going to my hometown because I cannot survive in this area. I am always thinking about the past. I am thinking about my family. So I can't stay here anymore. And this poor girl, she felt very bad. She cried. She fell into the knees of the postmaster and said, no, please don't go. Please don't let me alone. Take me also with you, she asks. So this postmaster was speechless. He cannot take this girl with him. And he said, no, like me, you will be getting another postmaster in my place so that he will carry you. He will take care of you. So accept this situation, he said. And he left the place. But this girl, Rattan, she was not okay. She cries and she roams around the post office and she craves for the love and affection of this man. But at the end of the story, this postmaster, he comes out with the philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore. So what is that philosophy? This is the most important point. So listen very carefully, students. The philosophy is meeting, attachment and detachment. So this is the vital philosophy given by Rabindranath Tagore in the place of this postmaster. So in a particular person's life, meeting plays a vital part where we meet. The next important part is attachment. We get attached to people, and one fine day we have to detach ourselves with the people, from the people. So this is the human tendency. This is the philosophy which Rabindranath Tagore wants to give to we people. So I hope, students, this philosophy will be very useful for us in our day-to-day life itself. And with this philosophy, the postmaster leaves the place, and the poor Rattan girl, she cannot come out of her situation, and she cannot understand this philosophy, and she cries and craves for love. And this is how the story ends. And I would like to give you the main crux of the story, that is like, this is a simple, straightforward story, and it has many descriptive passages, visual imagery and sounds of nature. So sounds of nature, when you read across this text, you can learn to the sound of nature. And I can just read a few lines from the text, like, when in the evening, smoke curving and coiling, rose from coverts in the villages, crickets began to herd in the bushes, and intoxicated ball mendicants of the distance struck their drums and cymbals. So these shows the sounds of nature. Likewise, you can see a lot of descriptive passages running across the text when you read. In such a way, Rabindranath Tagore has come across, has made this particular story very successful. So students, I hope this session would have been more interesting for you. Since this story about the postmaster, I hope everybody has seen a postmaster and we have seen many post office, etc. But nowadays in this century, all these has become obsolete. And I hope this philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore will be useful in your life too. Thank you.